All right, everybody, this video covers the secants, tangents, and angles worksheet. We're going to do just the first 6 questions. Starting with number 1, we want to find the value of this question mark, which is the arc measure from B to C. The way this rule works is when you have 2 lines crossing each other inside a circle, then the angle that is formed, which happens to be 65 degrees, is equal to the sum of the 2 arcs divided by 2. So that means 65 is equal to the purple arc plus the blue arc, all divided by 2. So here's the equation. The angle, 65, equals purple arc, which is 50, plus the blue arc, which is the question mark, all divided by 2. Now you'd have to multiply by 2 on both sides. So 2 times 65 gives you 130, and that's equal to 50 plus question mark. Now you'll have to subtract 50 from both sides. 130 minus 50 equals the question mark. 130 minus 50 is 80. So that's our answer. Question mark is equal to 80 degrees. Question number 2, we're looking for this question mark, which is the measure of the purple arc. Using that same concept that when you have these 2 lines crossing each other inside a circle, the angle that is formed, in this case 68 degrees, is equal to the sum of the 2 arcs, all divided by 2. So let's set up an equation. The angle is 68, and that is equal to the blue arc, which is 72, plus the purple arc, which is the question mark, all divided by 2. So there's the equation there. 68 equals 72 plus question mark divided by 2. To work backwards, you'll have to multiply 68 by 2, and 2 times 68 is 136, and that's equal to 72 plus the question mark. Now you'll have to subtract 72 from both sides. So the question mark is 136 minus 72, which gives you a final answer of 64. Here's question number 3. Again, we're looking for the value of the question mark, which is the angle on the exterior of this circle. Now, this angle is formed by 2 tangent lines going from U to T and going from U to the V. The way this works is this outside angle here is equal to the big arc, which is this purple arc, minus the smaller arc, which is the green one, all divided by 2. So we can see the purple arc is 257. We'd have to figure out what the green arc is, because that's not given. So to figure out this green arc, I called it X. And we know that a full circle is 360. So X is equal to 360 minus the purple arc, which is 257. So X is 360 minus 257, which gives us 103. So this small arc here is 103. Now the rule to find the exterior angle is the big arc, which is 257, minus the smaller arc, 103, all divided by 2. So there's our equation. So 257 minus 103 is 154, and we divide that by 2, and our final answer is question mark is equal to 77 degrees. Question number 4. We're looking for question mark, which is the angle on the exterior of the circle. So using the formula again, the exterior angle is going to be the big arc, the green big arc, minus the smaller arc divided by 2. So we'd have to figure out what the green big arc is. Well, we know that a full circle is 360. So X, the big arc, is 360 minus the 133 that's here. 360 minus 133 is 227, so the big arc X is 227. Now we can put that into the formula to find the question mark. The angle, question mark, is equal to the big arc, which is 227, minus the smaller arc, 133, all divided by 2. 227 minus 133 is 94, all divided by 2. So our final answer is that question mark is 94 divided by 2, which is 47 degrees. For number 5, we want to find the question mark, which is the value of this purple arc. We can use the same formula that we've been using. We have this exterior angle here, and that exterior angle happens to be 65. That exterior angle is equal to the big arc, purple, minus the blue arc, the smaller arc, the blue arc, all divided by 2. So we set up the equation that 65 is equal to question mark minus the 89, all divided by 2. Working backwards, you would have to multiply 65 times the 2. That gives us 130. So 130 equals question mark minus 89. And then working backwards, we'd have to add 89 to the 130. So question mark is 130 plus 89, which gives us 219 degrees for our final answer. All right, for number 6, we're looking for the question mark, which is the measure of the purple arc here. Well, we know the formula again is we have the exterior angle out here, which is 45 degrees, and that is equal to the big purple arc minus the small blue arc, all divided by 2. So we set up the equation that's here. So the angle 45 is equal to the big arc, which is question mark, minus the blue arc, the smaller arc, 110, all divided by 2. Multiplying 2 times 45 to work backwards. 2 times 45 is 90. So 90 equals question mark minus 110. And then to solve for the question mark, we would simply add 110 to the 90. So question mark is 90 plus 110, which is 200.